plan your garage tool move so heavy and hazardous equipment is packed securely and organized before movers arrive. Start by making a comprehensive inventory, listing each tool, its condition, and whether it contains fuel or oil. For items with liquid, drain fuel and oil into appropriate containers and let them air out outdoors for at least 24 hours before packing to eliminate vapors. Tape or sheath all sharp edges and protrusions with heavy-duty tape and cardboard so nothing can puncture packing or people handling boxes. Use sturdy boxes rated for the weight you will pack and double box when necessary, placing heavier items at the bottom and lighter ones on top, and clearly label each box with contents and room destination, so unpacking and placement in the new garage is efficient. For long-handled and hanging tools, remove them from walls, bundle similar items together, and secure bundles to a pallet or inside a long crate using ratchet straps to prevent shifting during transit. When moving heavy machinery like table saws or lawnmowers, lock or remove moving parts and secure blades or belts, and consider bolting or anchoring base plates to a pallet to prevent tipping. For high-value or irreplaceable tools, consider transporting them in our personal vehicle to maintain control and reduce the chance of loss or damage. People commonly forget to drain fuel and oil, which creates a fire and fumes risk. The fix is to prepare drain containers ahead of time and dispose of fluids at a household hazardous waste facility. Another frequent mistake is underestimating weight, which causes crushed boxes and injury. Solve that by weighing boxes as you load them and using appropriate dollies, straps, and team lifts for anything over 50 pounds. A third issue is failing to secure long or awkward items so they shift and cause damage. Bundle those items, fasten them to a pallet, and pad contact points with moving blankets and foam to minimize movement. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to moving, garage organization, and safe equipment handling. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, vendor experiences, and step-by-step techniques for protecting tools during a move.